Anthony F. Elmore, President and founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association, here today to bring you another exciting Black Buddhist lectures. We at the Proud Black Buddhist World Association are not only the Black Buddhist force in America, we are the Black Buddhist force in the world, and we are the only Black Buddhist organization in the world that do not have Asian Buddhist masters. When we learned that the Asians extricated all Black history, culture, and language from the Buddhist teachings, we extricated them out as our teachers. Now, today we're going to bring you exciting Buddhist lecture. My lecture today is Black Buddhist Shogun of Japan. You really want to get an understanding of Buddhism, you are not going to get a clear understanding of Buddhism from the Japanese, period. In fact, when you study Buddhism, you are not really going to get a clear perspective of Buddhism because of the history of Buddhism. You are not really learning a true Buddhism because the true Buddhism is what you say a Eurocentric style of Buddhism that distorts the facts. In fact, Buddhism is not sitting around in some mountain meditating, but Buddhism is everyday living. Listen, all you have to do is Google the word Black Shogun. When you Google the word Black Shogun, then the name Alexander Francis Chamberlain comes up. The first person in America to get a doctorate degree in anthropological science was Dr. Alexander Francis Chamberlain. And what Dr. Alexander Francis Chamberlain did, he wrote a paper in 1911, over 100 years ago, that said that we go to Japan and we find the first shogun of Japan, and he was a Negro. What has been written out of history is that the first Black people who departed Africa, called Cushites, set up civilizations around the world. The first Chinese emperor was Fu His, that's in 2953 to 2838 BC, was a woolly-haired black man. According to historian James Murdoch, Sakanouye no Tamuramaro was the originator of what subsequently came to be developed as the renowned samurai class in Japan, with the title called Shogun, the highest rank and virtues that a warrior could aspire. Now, in 1798, Sakanouye Tamuramaro, the first shogun of Japan, retired as a Buddhist, and he founded the Kiyomizu-dori Buddhist temple located in Kyoto, Japan, which is the most visited site in Kyoto, Japan. Today, this temple is a World Heritage Site and the most visited temple in Kyoto, Japan. Please note that the platform of Buddhism started in Japan in 1752 at the Todoji Temple, where we find the world's largest indoor Buddha statue is that of a black man called the Cosmic Buddha. So, Anthony F. Elmore, as a Buddhist, we want to stand proud, erect, and unafraid to be able to tell the truth. So when you begin to study Buddhism and you look at all these racist images in Buddhism, and you begin to delineate. And when you begin to get a sense of history and a sense of study, then you can understand. So I'm gonna cut it off right here. Let you see for yourself that that is a history that we've never even seen. And there's a great Buddhism here and nutrient Buddhism, but the way these people teach it, you're not going to get it. Have a good day. Thank you very much. All ancient icons show a simple fact. They all show that the Buddha was black. I believe in facts and Akeda was wrong. Buddha was no Aryan. This song saw the history, but those who rewrite history. Brothers and sisters, there's something to understand. It was 1,000 years as the Buddhist dealt his teaching right in Japan. Let me tell you something that makes sense. The Buddhist teachings did not start in the Orient. Those of you make a religious decision, the Buddhist teaches no ancient religion. The Buddhist religion has a lot of mystery. Ancients took out all the Black Buddhist history. Let me lay on you the history and the facts. Look at the ancient Buddhists.